Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in Namibia. First, let's get your account set up. Begin by visiting the PayPal website and choosing to sign up. You'll need to provide your email, create a strong password, and enter your personal information. It's crucial to link a valid Namibian bank account or a debit or credit card. Finally, verify your email and linked financial details to ensure your account is fully operational and ready for use. Funding your PayPal account in Namibia primarily involves linking a Visa or MasterCard from a local bank. Unfortunately, direct bank transfers to top up your PayPal balance aren't typically available for individual users here. The most common way to get funds is by receiving payments from others, which will then reflect in your balance. Remember to always keep an eye on the exchange rates, especially when dealing with different currencies, to understand the exact value of your transactions. Sending and receiving money with PayPal is straightforward. To send, simply click Send and Request, input the recipient's email or phone number and the amount. You'll choose if it's for goods and services or friends and family, as this affects fees. Receiving money is automatic. It just appears in your balance. Always be mindful of the transaction fees, which are usually a small percentage, often around 3 to 5%, plus a fixed amount for commercial transactions. When it's time to access your funds, you can withdraw them directly to your linked Namibian bank account. This process usually takes about 2 to 4 business days for the money to appear. Be aware that a small fee, typically around $2 to $5, might be charged per withdrawal. For best practices, always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication to keep your account secure and protect your financial information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.